apprenticeship program basically fringes benefit to the apprentices, both means as a participant apprentice as well as organization. Of course, there are certain tangible benefits and intangible benefits also. Tangible benefits I can narrate here is one is this apprenticeship program. This entire apprenticeship program itself provides a training, hands-on training, basically hands-on training to the apprentice, and allowing him to acquire practical skills specific to the trade or profession. Correct. And this skill development enhances their employability in future for their career growth. Okay. So, second is workforce development. I can say workforce development here is basically those programs can be tailor-made to meet their specific needs and ensuring a skill and capable workforce that align with the particular business requirements. Then, of course, there is a cost saving. These are the tangible benefits. Tangible benefits, I can say, basically quality monitoring. Okay. Quality. Because of this apprentices, because earlier we used to use certain contractual labor or unskilled workers, and with this apprenticeship program, now all these apprentices are very well. Of course, we take IT holders or diploma holders or even degree holders as an apprentice, and they work in the line. So our quality of work, quality of the product, and productivity, all these aspects have been increased.
Oh, great.
Okay. And of course, there's a moral also, employee moral is also increased. These apprentices, basically, they are working with the big, because we have a mentorship program for the apprentices, and apprentices always work under their supervisor or mentor. And mentor, basically, they work very closely with the mentor, so automatically they know each and everything about the organization, and so their moral is also boosted. Okay. Then, of course, this also enhances our company reputation in the market, because of course this is a social cause also. This company is engaging so many number of apprentices, and these apprentices are very well trained, and they are basically become employable in the market. And when they become employable in the market, they are able to sell themselves. So in future, definitely we are going to get benefit of their
employer branding or employer of the choice kind of a thing that impact.
And this apprenticeship program has also basically contributed to the diversity and inclusion.